Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan your business card, ID card or some other document with the help of Microsoft Lens. First, you just need to go to Play Store and install the Microsoft Lens. Since I have already installed it in my Android phone, so I'm going right into the demonstration. First, make sure that you have already readied your document that you want to be scanned. I'm going to click over the Microsoft Lens icon. Now you can see I have this business card that I want to be scanned. You can either use the flashlight or switch it off from this particular icon. Now make sure your hand is steady and click over this white button. Now you can see that Microsoft Lens has automatically drawn a rectangle around your document and you can adjust it if you want. But it has drawn to such a perfection that it doesn't need any adjustment in this particular case. However, you can do that if you want. Now I'm going to click over confirm, and now you can see that your document has been readied by Microsoft Lens. Now there are some options to play with. For example, you can use filters, you can lighten it, brighten it, or use some other. However, I won't play with any of these options. Similarly, here are some other options. For example, you can go to crop text and even you can use ink to highlight certain parts. However, I'm going to click on this done button. Now you have some options to play with. You can name your document. For example, I can name it business card demo. You can save it to your gallery or you can save it as a PDF document. I'm going to save it as a PDF document. I would click save. And now you can see that your document has been converted into a PDF document and saved.